How to manage picture in picture on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage picture in picture on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click this 3 points here to go to the settings. Click on it and now click meeting and then click this one. You'll find this one here, picture in picture. If you want to turn it off, just click here, and as you see, picture in picture has been turned off. And if you want to turn it on, just click on it. And that's how manage picture in picture on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.